everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over an across the floor combo. This one uses running flaps and single, double, and triple cramp rolls. So let's get started here. So you're going to start with 4 running flaps starting on your right foot. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, with your right foot, starting, you are going to do 2 single cramp rolls. So starting on your right foot, you're now going to go 1 and 2. Okay, so 4 running flaps, 2 single cramp rolls. Let's give that a try. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. And if you wanted to make it a little bit different, a little bit harder for some of your upper level students, you could always do 4 running flaps and then a single cramp roll starting with your toes and then a reverse cramp roll. So again, that would look like this. Just for something a little bit harder for those upper level kids. So from here, we just finished our 2 cramp rolls, or with a reverse if you feel like it. You're going to repeat those 4 running flaps. So starting on your right foot again. But now instead of doing single cramp rolls, you're going to do double cramp rolls. So we start those with a brush. You're going to go brush, step, step, heel, heel, brush, step, step, heel, heel. Okay? So 4 running flaps, 2 single cramp rolls, 4 running flaps, 2 double cramp rolls. Let's give that a try nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Double. Good. Try that again with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. From here, you're going to go back into those 4 running flaps. But now instead of doing a single or a double cramp roll, you're now going to do a triple cramp roll. So we're going to go shuffle, shuffle, cramp roll. 2 of those. Okay, so again, 4 running flaps. And then shuffle, cramp roll. So these are a little bit different because the singles are nice and even sounding. And so are the doubles. Those are also nice and even sounding. But when you get into the triples in this combo, they get a little bit muddled. The rhythm gets weird. So the cramp roll is actually faster. So the shuffle goes into it, regular speed shuffle, and then you roll into that cramp roll. Yeah, so instead of you roll into it a little bit more. So it's faster. It's a faster cramp roll. Okay. So from here we have 4 running flaps, 2 cramp rolls, 4 running flaps, 2 doubles, 4 running flaps, and triple. Nice. And then from here, you would start over again with those singles. So right after that last set of triples, then you would start again. Good, nicely done. So that is the right side. Once you get to the other side, you would then switch to starting with your left foot. So when you start with the right, everything starts with the right? Your cramp rolls, everything start right, right, left, right, left. When you start left side now, everything's going to start left. So 4 running flaps starting on your left. Left side cramp roll. 4 running flaps. Double. 4 running flaps. And then you would restart from there. Okay? So let me just show you the back here real quick. Last time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. and then you would restart. Let me show you what it would look like if you did a reverse cramp roll. So, and I don't think you could do it with, yeah, you can't really do it with the double, maybe with the triple. No, they're kind of awkward, so I would only do it with the single if you wanted to do a reverse cramp roll. So, from here, let's try it with that reverse cramp roll now. And 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.